In this video, we're gonna check whether it is possible to install a GCam on POCO F7. So the first thing that we're gonna do is go to the Play Store and let's search for GCam, which is an app that we can use in order to check if we can get GCam. So once we install it, we're gonna open it. Let's allow notifications. Over here we can see that GCam for this phone is not available yet, however the camera 2 API is enabled, so this is a good news. Perhaps in the future, if you watch this video later on, you can give it a try and see if there is a very specific version just for this phone. So I'm just gonna request the GCam. There is also GCam Go, which we can try, but essentially at the bottom we can also switch to GCams and we can try to find a similar version for a similar phone. So of course, if we try to do that, we will most likely experience some bugs, some things might not work properly, etc. I'm not sure if I can even search over here. I think the app is actually stuck. So we're gonna close it and reopen it. I'm not sure if I was unlucky or something. So let's give it another try. And let's search for, yeah, unfortunately we cannot do anything over here. So in my case, I cannot really search for other versions for other phones, but essentially what you can try to do is go to GCams over here and try to search for POCO and then try to get the latest version for the newest POCO smartphone that is available in this app. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So unfortunately, there is no specific GCam app just made for this phone in order to be fully compatible. But it doesn't mean that in the future it won't appear. It might appear. It just depends on the creators of the app. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.